Hey, good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening. It actually depends on the place you're watching me from. On today's video is a super special video, guys. I'm so much happy and I appreciate God for the gift of life that we are here today. So this day today, I wanna greet you by saying good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It actually depends with the place where you're watching me all the time, which you'll be watching this video. I'm shooting this video all the way from my beautiful home here in Kenya, Africa. To be specific, Isbania Nyabohanse village. A very special thanks to each and every person who always tend to watch my videos and also comment down below. That's the biggest support ever by watching and subscribing, and also commenting down below what you think about these vlogs. So this day today, the mission comes from the mission of this video. It's all from that side where you see this area. Maybe I should zoom those red iron sheets you see around there. You know, that's the orphanage. So I'm shooting this video because one of our subscribers donated some funds that we'll be installing what we call like some security solar panels. And as we talk right now, we went to we'll be heading to what we call like to the hardware, buy the materials for all the materials are needed to do what we call like all the work that is supposed to be done. And we'll be doing what we call like order some solar, what we call like solar lights that will be used because they don't have electricity yet. They have the poles like this, but they don't have electricity. The function was really, the function of the electricity down there was terminated due to 1 to 3 things that I cannot talk about, and because of the video that you have been seeing circulating. So the what we call like the project really collapsed because what is remaining is just poles like this that are standing tall. Oh, I've seen something there to eat, even to quench my mouth. There's some pawpaw in that tree that is already ripe. Yeah, so one of our subscribers reached out and do what we call like wanna do what we call like some, we wanna go buy some poles. Those are metallic poles because we cannot use poles like this one. They rot, and eventually after some months or some years, what will be done here, it will be what we call like the rot. Even if we reinforce them with concrete, they will not do. So the better way is to buy metallic ones, in which we will be going there with Fundi Duke, so that we can go buy them, and everything will be done what we call documented down, and each and every accountability will be written down, so that in case of anything you'll be there to check on it and how, maybe for future reference. So yeah, so we'll be heading also to the orphanage to go meet Pastor Esther, so that she can also tell us or show us where these solar security lights that will be there. Because to be really honest, darkness has been killing what you call like has been killing their confidence even to go outside, because they have the outside toilets or outside latrines. So darkness has been killing their confidence even to go outside. That's why maybe sometimes you find that girls are urinating, or they're helping themselves on the beds, and that also creates an unconducive environment for maybe the kids who are in there, and also for Mama Esther herself, and also maybe for the guests. You might go and feel like, there's something wrong here. So we buy 8 poles so that we can come and weld, because if they could have electricity, sorry, if they could have electricity, we could have done the fabrication just right in the orphanage. But also it would be very expensive for us to do this fabrication from the welder's side, because also the transport system. So I decided to offer myself a home over here, because here even my dad or my parents, they really know that the work that we are doing is a good work. So we offered our compound to so that they can use even the electricity to do the fabrication. Everything that will be fabricated, it will be fabricated here. Those poles, they'll be fabricated here, and later on we'll be doing what we call like taking them or transporting them to the orphanage. Actually, I don't know if you'll be able to see it. The orphanage is just right there. Just peep here. You see here? Let me zoom. You see just right here. Again, right here. That's the orphanage right there. That's Noah's boat. Let me zoom again. We see. Let me zoom in. That one. Yes, that one is now Noah's boat. You know. Yeah. So we are trying, as now as we speak, we'll be doing what we call like, but we have bought have just sent what we call like a guy with the tuk-tuk. We'll be bringing the chumas or the metal bars with me. From here we'll be heading and come back. So watch this video to the end and let me know in the comment section what you think about this. I'm just walking here to check if our watermelons have come out. You know, sometimes, oh man, may this not be it. You know, sometimes you need to check on them and come and peep on them. You know what, watermelon is a water-loving plant, so you have to come and check on them, how they are coming out. Sometimes they might come out when you haven't known if they are coming out, so you have to really check on them and check on if they are coming out. So let me meet Fundi Duke and we will be heading right in the hardware and we'll be sharing with you what's happening. Okay, all right, see you. Now this is Fundi Duke.
Yeah.
How are you, man?
I'm doing good.
Great.
Yeah.
Just said something, you were at work.
Yeah.
You were at your workshop.
At the workshop. You called me when I'm doing something.
Yes.
I'm making some ready-made windows.
Yes.
So that I can display them at my workshop there.
Okay.
It has been a long time I've not been at the workshop, so I was making some
work.
Windows. Yeah.
Some windows. Yeah. Introduce yourself for the new what you call like audience.
Yeah.
For those who don't know who Fundi Duke is.
Yeah, Fundi Duke. I've been on your channel.
Yes.
This is not the first time we've been working together at the Villa Medellin.
Yes.
The time I was constructing the Villa Medellin gate.
Yeah.
So I appeared on your channel. Yeah. I got some subscribers.
Yes.
Guys, I go by the name Fundi Duke.
Yes.
Fundi Duke, I'm a fabricator. I work here at the village.
Yes.
Near Buhanse. Yeah, so I have a YouTube channel by the name Fundi Duke. Fundi is F-U-N-D-Y.
Yeah.
Fundi, D-U-K-E, Fundi Duke.
Yes.
So go check me out. I'm a content creator also. I have videos, so many videos there. Go watch, like, and also share. Yeah.
You might be tired. Are you tired because we are going to buy some metals? And
no.
Because you're not tired?
I'm tired. We are going to buy some metals, guys. We want to fabricate the poles for solar lights.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like the same one we made at the Villa Medellin.
Yes.
Yeah, the security lights.
Security lights.
Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, this is Fundi Duke, and we'll be heading right actually at the hardware right here in Hispania border, and we'll be back and share with you what's happening over here. So we'll be seeing here with some tuk-tuk with heavy metals. Yeah. Okay. See you then.
Bye.
To buy the paint, this one we never included it on the what we call like on the budget, but we have to buy this. This is a. This one will be
undercoat. Yeah.
Also the
welding rods
and the grinding.
And the grinding disc.
Okay. So
also we have the cutting disc.
The cutting disc. Yeah, here. Yeah. So also this one will just be working here, and we'll be checking on how it's really on the work. So we can resume back to the work and we check how everything will be.
Thank you, Namadi.
So let's go. The metals will come, so we have to go with this, and we check on how stuffs are. Yeah, we are leaving because we cannot carry them over here. Go away. So let's go and see. These are the type of the metals that we wanted. These ones, you know, they are very heavy and thick, the way you see it over here. So this one, even a kid cannot break, even thieves cannot break this, not unless they come with a grinder to cut it down. so they are very tall up to the other side. So yeah, we'll show you what will be happening. Yeah, they get to pair. Yeah, so let them load and then we'll be going. Also we have these ones that will help to also strengthen the lights, you know. So we are loading, and that's how you see. They just take the whole tuk-tuk, so up to the other side. It's coming up to this other end, all the way downwards, you know. So these are already 3. We have 4 on this other side. Yeah, just like that. So the Duke. So baby metal are going home right now. So let's wait for them for the delivery of home. Yeah, so the materials are coming. Just right here. Coming. Kansugami. Yeah. Kirudi rivers zinaweza tugonga just like that. Now time to offload here. The metals are offloaded. One pole like this, it's very tall that I cannot make it stand on my own. It's very long and tall. So already he has connected the machine. He has cut some of this kind of metals, this small. So what is the use of this, mister?
That one?
Yes.
To hold the what do you call it? The light.
The light.
Yeah, they are the one to hold the light.
Yes.
They are going to create the distance.
Yes.
From the shade of the solar panel.
Okay.
So they create the distance from the pole.
Yes. And
we are going to put also this one.
Okay.
Now to make the light focus where it wants to.
Okay.
You want it to light. This one?
Yes.
To bend this way.
To bend downwards.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll try and see. Sorry, I got interrupted with someone. Okay, you are saying?
These ones, how do you call them? The elbows.
The elbows.
So they are going to create a space from the pole.
Yes.
The light. We are going to put the light at this point here.
Okay.
So we are going to bend this one to make the light point to where you want it to light.
Okay.
So we are going to get this distance from the shade, the shade of the solar panel, because the solar panel will be on top there.
On top of here, yeah.
Yeah, so we are going to create the space from the pole to the light. So the light will be somewhere here.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is, we are going to make it just because it is going to come with an angle line, which is holding the lamp. The lamp, yeah. So at this point is where we are going to adjust that light. The light. Where you want it to
point.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, guys. So you're just trying to fabricate everything from scratch. So you just pay much attention and you see what we are trying to fabricate here. All right. Okay. Thing with me is that I want to check and see what's happening. You know, you cannot look direct towards that light, so you have to look somewhere different. They do it. If you don't have the shades, then you cannot look directly there. So This one you call it as a what? Now this one, what would be the use of this?
It is called the elbow.
Elbow. So this is an elbow. So when that light will come, we just taichoma up.
No.
Yeah.
Nafaa kubendisha hii. Then hii tunaichoma hivi.
Okay.
Hii inaangalia huko. So ile light itafungwa hapa hivi.
Okay. Okay. So this one, carrying them, hey, you'll have to use a very good technique to carry this.
Sasa hata kama mtu atamani kupanda kutoka huko na kuja kufungua taa, hatapata hizi time, itakuwa taa iko mbali tena.
Oh, okay. So this one also is for security purposes.
Security,
so
yeah.
if somebody can just, if there's somebody who is maybe coming to willing maybe to steal the lights, because over here most people sometimes steal the lights. So the moment we climb, even if we will climb, you will not be able to reach the light.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Let's keep on fabricating our stuffs. Yeah. Easy. So that's what you're seeing. So guys, this is what you see. This is standing tall all the way. It's like 4 people will go up to reach that angle there. So you see what we are meaning. It's like, so 2 feet will go down, like we will have up to this point. Let's say this point, right?
Yeah.
From down here up to this point, and it will be having some things down here, so it will go up to that point. So this one will help or will aid to even will just minimize thefts of these stuffs. Wow, good job, well created. We're making some hooks where
They are called wall pads.
They call them hooks. So those are the hooks, so that when it stands stored deep down, even if somebody is trying to shake the what we call like this metal, it will not. It will be very strong. So already he has fabricated 2 of them. They are not hot. He has fabricated 2 of them, like this one, the way you see. So over here we will be fabricating a place for the solar. And over here it will be a place for the light. So from here, this is the upper side, and coming all the way, this is the bottom side. So this bottom side, we are trying to put up these hooks. You see these hooks, these ones, they are really helping on reinforcing this metal, because it's so tall. It's very tall. So the moment the hole will be dug up to maybe this point, that will be a hole from this side to this point. It will be dug, and this one will be inserted in, and then we'll do what you call like reinforcement with the concrete, so that when the wind will be shaking, they cannot shake and they fall down. Or maybe, you know, sometimes we have some naughty kids who maybe will be shaking it. So it will be really helping them not to fall down or maybe to bend. So that's reinforcement of this metal. You see this kind of a metal, this side. But these pipes, they are very heavy. These ones are very heavy. You know, when sometimes you find you have like these ones but duplicate one, the ones which are very light, you know, like these ones but very light. Isn't it black what mura? Easy pipe, black pipe. So this one is called black pipe. Na hizi ni strong ama ni kama zile tuliona huko. These are strong. You know guys, there are those ones which are weak. They're the same. They're of the same size, same shape, but very weak. And Sometimes if you are, there are those people who maybe they were like, oh, this money, instead of me having let me have a discount on that, so they buy these fake ones and then they do what you call like in a few months or few years everything will shake and they will fall down. So have it's solar lights like these ones. You see these ones, this one is electric one, but it's 30 watts. This one is electric one. This one I bought them in Nairobi. At night they really light. It's 30 watts, 30 watts, but it's electric, and also they are sensor. You see this place here, it's sensor light, so you can adjust them here. Let me show you. You can adjust it from this point. You can adjust it from this point. So this point shows you, let me show you something. You can adjust this from this side. So that's why you see me, I just put it all timer, everything. So the, and also it shows you, this one shows you when it's daytime, moon time, everything. So the moment you set it, it will just, the moment you put it on from the house, you have poured it on, it will sense the darkness and it will light up. And maybe when somebody passes by this side, when somebody passes by this side like this, already it senses the motion. They're called motion sensor. It senses the motion and then it lights. So they're called motion sensor, and that's why you see they're really lighting up. So fabricate these ones. Maybe on the upcoming videos I'll be sharing with you how everything is. We'll be installing the solar, and maybe the next video we'll be taking them to the orphanage. For now, let's fabricate this. And in the comment section, what do you think about this also, you know? Yeah, the fabricator.
Yes.
How is it going?
We are moving.
We are moving.
Yeah.
Slowly. That's why you see how it is. Hey, but this machine looks dangerous, man. Hey. This one, if it's naked, if it get rains here, hey. But the good thing is it's working.
People will see fire.
People will see fire. But anyway, some these things will improve, man.
Yeah?
You might not know. Sometimes things will improve.
Things will change.
Yeah, things will change. This one is the new one that we bought.
Yeah.
It has really gone. So this is called the cutting rod.
Cutting disc.
Cutting disc.
Yeah.
Cutting disc.
It is going like
I'm trying to cover my eyes like so that they cannot cut it off. Anyway, we are ending this video here, guys. I've shown you what's going on around as the work is still on progress. And also from here we'll be having this kind of a paint. This one will paint them so that it's called metal gray light, so that they cannot facilitate what we call like rust. Thank you so much. Be blessed all. Subscribe, like, share, and leave us a comment, and I will appreciate your love and support. See you.